Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Gigi. I am going to do my nails today, but we're working with my non-dominant. We're also working with my anxiety, so I'm going to drop some stuff. It's going to happen. Most of it gets cut out, but luckily none of it was my powders. You know I love my powders. I love these powders. So I'm going to mix these in. They'll be listed below. It's Dageda or Dageda. I forget. I always forget exactly how to say it. I'm just going to mix this in. It's going to make a lovely little shimmery nude. There are darker colors in here too, so you could add and mix and match and lighten with some white. But always make sure you don't add too much pigment because it stops curing after a certain point because the pigment itself is blocking the light from the gel. So you're usually working with shears if you're trying to mix the powders into your gel. So just a heads up on that one. Let's go ahead and fit a form. I'm just gonna round it out a little bit using my hands and then pop together the back, just the bottom two tabs. And there I go dropping things. That's two things in the video so far. So I don't know. Don't make it a drinking game because I think I do drop a couple more things. My anxiety is bad right now. I need to tighten my practices. And we'll just leave it at that because we could talk for 20 minutes about that. I'm going to finish fitting this form. I like to tighten the back up against my finger before I start pushing down. And as I push down, I continue to tighten because otherwise I end up getting little, what would you call it when it sort of pops in on the side? Anyway, if you're not careful, you can make a mess of your form. And you know what? They're just forms. Practice. If you haven't tried them before or you think you suck at it, who cares if you go through 20? Practice. Try different things. Luckily for me, my nails, my nail bed shape loves the form, so I don't have to do any modifications. But there are ways to modify the form to fit your finger. Try all the ways. Look up all the artists who are doing that. Like I said, I don't really have to do that, but we could do a video where I show you some of the ways I know to do it. And we'll put that on the list of things we need to get to soon. So I'm just using that nude color and I'm putting down a very thin base. And that is what we're going to build the nail on top of. And we're going to use some of this really pretty foil. You don't have to use gold, but for what I was doing today, I felt like gold was just the right flavor. And this particular gold has a little black in it and a little copper in it. It's almost like it's been burnished or burned or something. I don't know what word you would use, but or oxidized even, although gold doesn't really do that. Anyway, it's a real pretty multi-layered colored sort of gold. Now we're going to come in with that teal that we mixed up. And I used that green. It was almost a teal on its own, but it was more of a greeny teal. So I added a little blue to it. I know you saw that. I was yappity yapping as I did it. And then we're just going to layer it on there. And that's where the sheerness comes in. As you can see that gold peeping through. And you have some where the gold's completely exposed and places where it's not. And we're just going to do a little marble like that. Like a... what's the word I'm looking for? I don't know. It'll come to me, you guys. Like crystals, like gemstones. Also, you could think in terms of different colors of... There's a word, and it's not coming to me. Granite. Granite. Like a granite marble, but different colors. Because granite comes in lots of different colors. So this is just a real natural looking marble nail. And I know I just did marbles on my other nail, but this idea wouldn't leave my head. I wanted gold on my hands. I wanted color. I wanted a marble, but different. So, and even though I'm using my non-dominant, this is Saviland Builder gel, so it really self-levels for you so nicely. And It's so easy to work with that even with my non-dominant, I really don't have any trouble with it. So hashtag it, loving Saviland. I love Saviland. There you go. This is not sponsored by them in any way, but hello, Saviland. You know, shout out. Holla at your girl. Holla at your girl. Um, so I'm just coming in with a thin brush and just smoothing out the cuticle and the edges, giving myself a shot at having less filing to do later, which 100% worked. This set was really, it looks like it would be hard to do. So easy. Like, this is just, I think marble is really one of the easiest sets to do. There are ways to make it more complicated and ways to make it harder, but why would you do that exactly? Like, I just saw Votino do a set that was so beautiful and so easy, and all he did was use, and it's his brand, the Votino brand, but it was some white alcohol inks, and he called it something different, like it was a special kind of alcohol ink, but I need to buy some of that. I don't have a white alcohol ink, and I need one. What he did was gorgeous, and they were like jade nails. It makes me want to do some of those really fast. I need that in my life. So beautiful. Oh, excuse me, guys. Got a little frog in my throat there for a second. I had a cold, like, gosh, it's been like 6 weeks now, maybe more, and I never really got rid of the cough, but I'm going to see my doctor next week, and I'll ask him for some stuff. Some stuff that'll fix that right up. Also, I just have been seeing some, while I'm doing all of this, I went to my ring finger. Let me pause myself. I did my ring finger next because I wanted it to be the same color as the thumb, and so I'm mixing each color as I go and trying to mix exactly what I need, which I did pretty good on, actually. So that's why I'm skipping around a little bit from nail to nail. And from this point forward, you will not see any more encapsulation. This video was already like 14 minutes long, so I decided to just, you saw it on the thumb, we're going to leave it at that. And I have so many encapsulation videos, and if you want one where I do it 3 or 4 times, just let me know. I'll make that happen for you. You know I will. Look at this. Look. Boom. I think I was watching something on TV or a TikTok or something, or listening to, I don't even know. I did these nails days ago, and that, let's address real quickly that I did not put this up on Saturday like I should have. I'm so sorry, you guys. I was exhausted. I was so tired, and that's a whole story all on its own. So I just couldn't make it happen. Sorry about that. Okay, back to what I was saying. I was talking about on TikTok and YouTube, I've been seeing so many different messages, or, you know, I think of everything as coming to me from the universe, right? So I've been seeing all these messages about different ways to heal your body and heal your lungs. I have asthma, and I did smoke for a long time. I quit coming up on 15 years ago, I want to say. So, you know, I don't smoke anymore. But I do vape a little bit of cannabis, though. So I don't smoke it. I only vape. But still, I tend to cough a tiny bit. If I catch a cold, it's hard for me to get over it. So I want to do everything I can to support my body. And I've just been seeing so many messages about different ways and natural things that you can use, like mullein, M-U-L-L-I-E, and I want to say it is. I could even be spelling it wrong. I'm positive I'm probably saying it wrong, but also eucalyptus and a whole bunch of other things that will help you to just support your body in healing itself, right? One of the ones, what was it? Oh, elderberry. I'm totally going to get that. I already do a lot of berries because I like smoothies, but I'm down to add any natural thing to my regimen. I already take vitamins and all that, so I don't even know. How did we get on this? Oh, because I coughed. Guys, Boy, I can go off on a tangent. So this is the last nail here, and I start with this really light green that you see down on the little palette there. It's actually an agate slice. And you can see it's fine, but the rest of them are more vibrant. And so what I'm going to end up doing is grabbing a deeper green. And you can see that I'm trying to get a little more product because I feel like if I add more, it's going to be darker. That's not what it needs. And as soon as I add some veining of a darker green that complements this green, it looks so much better. And guys, I'm telling you what, with this set, I don't know which nail is my favorite. Every time I look at one and think, yeah, I like that one the best, I'll look at another one and be like, are you kidding me? Like, that index finger looks so warm and vibrant, and so does the pinky. But the other one, I don't know, like just the way the gold peeks out from underneath the colors or next to the colors, and the way that the white enhances it all, and that nude color basing everything. Okay, here's the darker green, and we're just going to start blodging it on. There you go. I don't know why I said blodging. That's a weird thing that I just said. Oh my God. I said blodging. Anyway, after doing all of the encapsulating and filing, that was the set before we do gems. Let me be 100% with you guys right now. I don't have any of these gems on anymore. They're real Swarovskis. I don't know why I cannot keep Swarovskis on my hands. I don't know what it is. I'll put other gems on, cheaper gems. Stay on for days, stay on for weeks. Not Swarovskis. I cannot keep them on me. I don't do anything different with them than I do any other nail. This is a non-dom video, so of course there was going to be some cleanup. There we go. There we go. Trust me, there was a lot more cleanup that you didn't see. But honestly, I'm getting so good at doing my non-doms, I don't even get that much on me anymore. I used to crazy. We're just going to finish with top coat. I'm not going to show any more gems. This video was getting really long. I love this set. This is one of the prettiest things I've ever created, and I couldn't be more proud of it, even though I'm not wearing the gems anymore and I just had to re-top coat. By the way, there's no reveal shots. There's a story for that. I'm not going to get into it. I screwed up. Just that simple. I screwed up. Nothing else to say about it. And I don't have any. And I'm not wearing the gems anymore, so I'm not going to take any. For the Instagram and whatnot, I'll probably steal some screenshots from this, but you're already seeing it, so I'm not going to take any. And I know you guys are going to forgive me, because the end bit where I show you all the nails looks really good, and I don't think most people stay to the end anyway. If you're still here, I don't know, give me a purple heart in the comments, and let me know you made it to the end. So we're coming in with our oil. I don't even remember what kind this is anymore. It's a blend of some stuff. I'm always blending things. I'm a blender. And this is the finished set. Guys, I'm in love. I am so proud of these nails. I love them so much. They were so easy and simple, and they couldn't be prettier. Let me know what you think in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. We're going to see you next time. Mwah! Bye-bye.